Email is the most common form of distribution, and the Flimp Viewer reporting is integrated with most major email marketing services so that you can track and report viewer activity of video email campaigns by individual email address. Let's take a look at how this works. First, you select a specific distribution that has viewer activity. Then select Distribution Details. Once the viewer reporting data appears, you can see individual viewer engagement, response, and forwarding information by viewer email address. For every viewer, this report shows us the viewer email address, if the viewer was an original recipient, or if they received the message from another viewer and the sender of that message, email opens, how many times the viewer clicked the Flimp link, sessions, number of viewing sessions, up to 5 minutes per session, video starts, how many times the video started, watches to completion, number of times the video was watched to completion, the time on Flimp, which is the amount of time in seconds the viewer spent engaged with your message, the response links clicked, the number of response actions taken, the response details, what links the viewer clicked on, and the time and date of the viewer activity. Finally, all of the collected viewer data can be easily accessed through our Flimp API or exported with the click of a mouse into an Excel or tab-delimited spreadsheet for follow-up or reporting purposes. To learn more about Flimp Viewer Analytics reporting, call us at 508-435-5220.